Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing some wiper blades on my 2004 Audi A4. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you in changing your wipers because when I first got the car I didn't know how to change the wipers, and now that I know how to change them, I hope this video just helps other B6 owners out there help change their wipers. It's a pretty easy install. It's like super easy. Once you see it, you'll get what I mean. But so for this, you're gonna need a 16 millimeter bolt. Let that focus. And a socket ratchet, or ratchet socket, whatever it's called. I use like a screwdriver. This worked for me. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and pry that little space you have right there. Once you pry that open, once you pry that open, you're gonna use your 16 millimeter to unscrew it. Yeah, so it should get loose enough for you to really unscrew it with your hand. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this, and yep, it's out. Just go ahead and try to move the wiper at least upward, and go ahead and just try to get it out. Like I said, it's pretty hard for me to get it out with one hand and recording at the same time, but yeah, here we go. And that's the wiper. I'm gonna attempt to do the same method, and I actually haven't taken this one out, and you can see that I'm able to take it out with one hand and have the camera on the other hand. Oops. So yeah, this is actually why I'm replacing the wipers. As you can see, that's a little ruined. I don't know if it's gonna focus. I didn't adjust the focus settings before I started recording, but the metal is disconnected from the rubber, so it scratches the window. You can see the marks right there when it goes up and stuff. So we're gonna have to put them in the blade ourselves. So I'm gonna try to do that and record. That's gonna be pretty hard. Okay, so currently you should be looking at the wiper blade like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, you're gonna go ahead and squeeze this little tab right here as hard as you can. This is that little clip. Okay, I don't know how to explain that, but I pushed it that way, going that way, as in the wiper being like this. I tried basically pulled them away from each other. I guess you're just gonna want to put it in where this meets and this meets, so something like this. Okay, that works. So this is the wiper. You're gonna want to just put this on top of this like that, and I guess you just close the clip like that, and it's in. I'm gonna repeat the same step for this one. Wow, I'm starving. Looking at this, it's the same thing. So you just push down there as hard as you can, and you just disconnect it. You just disconnect them both. So it being like this, I'm trying my best to record this and do it the right way at the same time, but you're gonna have this and this. You're going to connect this part with this part right here. It's in the center of the camera right here. So you have like this space from here to here to insert from here to wherever it ends, possibly right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So I'm gonna have this and just place it on top. So it looks something like that when you place it on top. It should be very easy, hopefully. It's so hard to get it on with one hand and record at the same time. But once you get it on, you should just clip that and it should be fine. Yep. So there you have it. They made this very easy to install. I tried my best to explain it. It's very hard. If I had a GoPro mount, it would be so easy. But yeah, we have these two connected, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them back on the car. It's like you install the passenger side wiper first to enable this one go in easily. Actually, to enable that one go in easily, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in right there. Here we go. The trick is push down right here. It can flex. It's okay for it to flex. When you push it down, it allows the wiper to sit in like flat and flush. So once that's in, you can go ahead and bring the wiper back down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the driver's side now. So same thing goes. I am so sorry about the camera. There's no stabilizer on it as we speak. So I'm gonna push it up and flex it. And that looks fine. That looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it, bring it back down. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten these two. Just tighten it as tight as you can so it grips. If it does not grip, it will spin with this motor and it's just gonna cause chaos. I'm just gonna go ahead and place them on for now. So if you have an extender, I would highly recommend it. I just went ahead and put an extender on this 16mm to the ratchet. Moment of truth. Okay, so yeah, it's perfect. I'm not having any issues, but that wiper will hit the hood if you don't close the hood. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood and yeah.